Today, we'll explore the specification and compare the features of the Number 1 Sony SAD40M2 4.1 Home Theater. Number 2 FNDF 7700X 4.1 Channel Home Theater. Number 3 Panasonic SCHT 460 GWK 4.1 Channel Home Theater. Number 4 Zebronic BT8591 RUCF 4.1 Home Theater. Number 5 Zebronic BT4440 RUCF Home Theater. To highlight their differences and help you decide which model best fits your needs. Number 5 Zebronics BT4440 RUCF 4.1 Home Theater. Build quality. Basic plastic, functional but not premium. Design specifications. 60 watt power output, Bluetooth, USB, FM radio, compact, remote. Pros and cons. Pros. Extremely affordable, simple setup, good for small rooms. Cons. Weak bass, low durability, basic sound quality. Target audience. Entry-level users, students, small families in smaller cities. Price. 2,999 Indian rupees. Number 4 Zebronics BT8591 RUCF 5.1 Home Theater. Build quality. Decent plastic construction, lightweight, feels budget-oriented rather than premium. Design specifications. Power output 105 watt 40 watt subwoofer plus 16 watt X4 satellites. Connectivity, Bluetooth, USB, SD card slot, FM radio, AUX. Features, LED display, remote control, compact satellite speakers. Pros and cons. Pros. Loud sound output for the price. Multiple connectivity options Bluetooth, USB, SD. Affordable and good for small gatherings or parties. Cons. Sound clarity is average, especially at high volumes. Build feels cheap and may not last long with heavy use. Bass can sound muddy, not refined. Target audience. Budget buyers, rural/semi-urban users, cost-focused customers. Price. 5,999 Indian rupees. Number 3 Panasonic SCHT 460 GWK 4.1 Home Theater. Build quality. Reliable plastic build, lightweight and functional. Design specifications. 100 watt power output, Bluetooth, USB, minimalistic design, remote. Pros and cons. Pros. Balanced audio, great for movies, easy to use. Cons. Basic features, subwoofer lacks music depth. Target audience. Middle-class families, movie enthusiasts, simple audio seekers. Price. 6,299 Indian rupees. Number 2 FNDF 7700X 4.1 Channel Home Theater. Build quality. Sturdy plastic with some metal accents, decent durability. Design specifications. 80 watt power output Bluetooth, USB, FM radio, multicolor LED display, remote. Pros and cons. Pros. Punchy bass, stylish LED design, multiple inputs, affordable. Cons. Sound distorts at high volume, average build longevity. Target audience. Young buyers, students, small households wanting flair. Price. 8,999 Indian rupees. Number 1 Sony SAD40M2 4.1 Home Theater. Build quality. Solid plastic construction, durable and compact. Design specifications. 100 watt power output, Bluetooth, USB port, sleek black design. Pros and cons. Pros. Clear sound, reliable brand, good bass for small rooms, easy setup. Cons. Limited sound tweaking options, not for large spaces. Target audience. Budget-conscious families, small apartment owners, casual users. Key insights. Best build quality. Sony SAD40M2 or Panasonic SCHT460 GWK. Best design. FNDF 7700X, stylish, Sony, sleek. Best price. Zebronics BT4440 RUCF. Target audience. Ranges from budget users, Zebronics, to middle-class families, Sony, Panasonic, and trendy youth, FND. All product links are in the description. Like, share, and subscribe.